Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll be discussing the answers of the Kcet Maths question paper 2023. So we are not going to discuss it briefly, but we'll give you some idea about how the answer has been, how we got the particular answer. So we are just going to tell you what's the correct answer between these four options. Okay, so let's start. So this is the mathematics question paper which is of set D2. Okay, so this is a D2 maths question paper. So the first question's correct answer: so if a line makes an angle of pi by 3 with each x and y axis, then the acute angle made by z axis is. So the correct answer for this is C option. Okay, so option C is the correct one, pi by 4. So second one, it is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 minus 111 to the line which is given this. So the correct answer for this is also C, that is root of 53. So root of 53 is the correct answer for the second one also. Now let us see third one. So they have given us the equation of the plane through the points 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 2 and 3, 1, 7. So here the answer is again C, that is 7x minus 9y minus z minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the correct answer, option C. Now next is the point of intersection of the line x plus 1. So this correct answer for the fourth question, it is option B. Okay, so it's option B. Similarly, now let us go for the fifth. Okay, so fifth is the correct answer for the fifth is option D. Okay, so we will not going to describe each and every answer briefly. We'll just give you the correct options here because it takes a lot of time to explain you each and every question. Okay, so we'll just going to tell you the answers of the particular question. Okay, now fifth one, it is option D. Fifth one is option D. Similarly, sixth one it is A. Option A is sixth one. Seventh one, it is option C. Okay, we'll tell you about the seventh one. It is option C. Sorry, it's not option C, it's option A. It's option A. Similarly, now next, let's move to the next question. Eighth one. So the answer for the eighth one is option C. Ninth one, it is option D. 10th one, the shaded region, it is option D. Next is 11th one, it is option A. 11th one is option A. 12th one is option C. 12th one is option C. Let's move for the 13th one. 13th one is option A, that is 0. Okay, so let's move for the 14th one. 14th one, it is option B, 1 divided by root of 2. Next, move for the 15th one. 15th, it is option D. 15th, it is option D. Let's move for the 16th one. It is option A. 16th one, that is this one. 16th one is option A. Let's move for the 17th one. That is option again A. This is the empty set. That is again option A. 18th one, it is again option A. 2 minus 3. So this is D2 question paper. Okay, so you can see this is a D2 question paper. Next is 19th one, that is option D, are not in AP. Okay, option D, 19th one. 20, it is option C, 4 by 3. Next, let us move to 21, that is option D. Let us move to 22, that is again option D, 2 and 2. 23, it is option B, 12. Okay, 24, it is again option D. Okay, 24 is option D. So in this paper, that is D2 paper, most of the options are D. Okay, most of the options we will get that it's a D only. Okay, so most of the options are D only in D2 paper. Now let us move to option 25th question, that is option A. 26th question, again it is D. 26th question. 27th question, it is A. Let's move for 28th. 28th, it is option B. Okay, 29th option, it is again D. If two lines are not parallel, then they intersect in the same plane. 30th question, it is answer A, 252500. So this question was repeated, I guess, in the year 2013. 30th question was repeated from 2013. If you have solved the question paper, then you will get to know the previous question paper. If you have solved, then you will get to know. Now let us move to the 31. 31th, it is D. So you can see most of the options are D in this set paper. Let us move to 32. It is again D. 32 is again D. Let us move for 33. It is again D. 4. Now let us move for 34 question, that is it's C. Next is 35th. It is D. 36th, it is again D, 0. 37th, so again this 37th question was again repeated in the previous year question papers. It is C. Now let us move for 38th question, that is again D. So you can see many of the options are D. Let us move for 39th question, that is again D, minus 5 by 2. Let us move for 40th question, that is C, constant. Okay, the answer of this will be constant. Okay, let us move for 41, that is A. 41 is A. Let us move for 42, it is D. 43, it is C, 1. So this 43 question was also repeated in the previous year question paper. Let us move for 44th. It is option B, 12 meters square per second. 45th question, it is option A, 2 or 4. 46th, it is option C. 47th is again option C, 3. Let us move for 48, that is option B, 2 root of sin x plus c. Let's move for 49th question. It is option D, 3x square plus 3. Let us move for 50th question. It is option C, 0.52 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, let us move for option number 51. Option number 51, it is B. Okay, the option number 51 is B. Option number 52, it is A, pi square by 4. Option number 53, it is C. Okay, so option number 53, it is C. option number 54, it is option B, 1 divided by 6 tan inverse of 2x by 3 plus c. Okay, now let us move for the next question, that is 55. Question number 55, if a curve passes through the point 1 1 and at a point xy. So the answer for 55th question, it is D. So from here, from 54 to 60, each and every question is D. Each and every question answer, it is D. Okay, so here it is D. So if we move for 56, it is again here D, that is 6. So this question, 57th question, was also again repeated from the previous year question paper. If you check the previous year question papers, then you will get to know about this question. So the answer for this question is again D. A and B are perpendicular. 57th. 58th, it is again D root of 6. 59th, it is again D 3 log 2 square units. And 60, it is again D. Okay, so from 55th to 60th question, the options are D, but majority of the correct answers in D2 paper set are D. Okay, so if you guys find any errors in the answers, you can just tell us into the comment section. Okay, we will try to correct it. Okay, so and also mention the correct answer of that particular question. Okay, so these are all the correct answers of mathematics, Kcet mathematics D2 question paper. Okay, so we'll be back with another question paper with correct answers. We'll back with another question paper with its correct answers. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing.